Hey guys, so it is exam day and exam is at 12:30 and it's now around what 10:15 thereabout. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna head out right now because I need to print my exam permit in order to get into the classroom, and then I need to pick up something within that same area. So I figured I need to leave out early and to also get parking on the school compound instead of parking at their designated parking. So I normally do that, try to get once it's exam day, I just try to get there as early as possible, sit in the car, blast the AC, and just review some stuff. So I'm heading out right now just to show you guys the full fit. And then this is actually this is my only written exam that I have. I do have a final project to do, which is due next week. I've already started that. So I think after when my exam is done and all of that, then I should be heading out to just get some drinks. Yeah, why not? Celebrate. It's literally, y'all, isn't I'm sweating? I'm so hot. But yeah, so I should be heading out to drinks as well for today. Let's see, it may be with my friend and I, or it may just be like a solo thing, but we'll see what happens later. So let's get into the quick fit and I'll chat to you guys later. After my exam, you know you're gonna pass, so wish me good luck. Well, you can still wish me good luck, even though y'all wasted it's like way past after the exam, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, let's head out, show you guys the fit. Anyways, don't mind my dirty mirror. Yeah, I need to clean it. So we're just working with this. So me, I'm going out to people in school with the cut up jeans. Like, this shouldn't have a problem though. If there's an issue, I'ma just try tie it up. They shouldn't stop me though. But anyways, we're just working with this long sleeve because in the classroom, always cool. Sneakers and just this. So this is the fit we're working with. Yep. All right. Later. Hey guys, so exam is done, and I knew that I did well. Yeah, it was accounting, so you know when something balance off, you know, so you do good. So yeah, that's what happened. But like one of the question them, I know I kind of mess up, and literally, you know what, I didn't even like fully remember because I didn't even like practice much on it, but I definitely did pass. And I did some part of the question that I had an issue with, and literally I think this is like almost the same what was on the paper, I think was what we got in class, like the exact question, which was crazy. And that one I didn't really, you know, practice much on, but like I still passed regardless. Oh yeah, that's a production cost. Okay, but I still passed that. Yeah, but I did good. So I am starving, but I'm not gonna stop and purchase any food right now. I just need to head home. I need to do some work, and then yeah, like I said, I'm heading on the road. Yeah girl, I'm gonna go on the road today. I deserve a drink because I did damn good in that exam. Like, I did good. So that's it. Holiday is coming up this weekend, so already super excited. I do have plans. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys later when I think my phone is like thingy, but anyways, I'll talk to you guys when yeah, it's time for me to head out on the road later. Alright guys, so it's after 8 o'clock and we just finished did some work, showered and all of that. Guess what? Your girl ain't going anywhere anymore. I'm just not in the mood. I feel very lazy. I'm tired. So no drinks and sushi for me. So yeah, the 10%, let me see. I did have like a 10% gift card too. It expires today. So yeah, I'm tired y'all. So I actually ordered some pizza online, so I have to pick it up. And then we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night and watch some CSI. So that is the vibe, y'all. That is the vibe for today. I do have some alcohol, so I just pour myself a drink and have pizza and just chillax. All right, y'all, so I am home. I got my pizza, and I realized that I don't have no alcohol in the house except wine. I only have this rum left. Like, I literally need to buy some rum. Like, this is wild. This is so wrong. I only have red wine and I'm not feeling up for it. So I definitely gonna have to put some alcohol in this house. But we're gonna eat our pizza pizza right now and turn on CSI for the rest of the night. That's the vibe that we're happening. That's the vibe that's gonna happen tonight right now. Hey guys, so I am just getting back home from the supermarket. I know you guys saw when I was packing last night and all of that. This literally was supposed to be like a get ready, pack with me, all of that. I was supposed to do my hair, do my lashes, and that just didn't work out, y'all. I was on the road, like I didn't expect I was supposed to be on the road so late, and then now it's running late. It's going to after 2 o'clock, so I need to head inside, grab my bags. Lucky thing I packed last night, grab my bags and just head out on my trip. I won't tell you guys yet where I'm going, but yeah, and I think I need to change. Hope maybe, you know what, I do not, yeah, I probably need to change the bottom that I have. The t-shirt is fine. So yeah, I don't know, time ran so fast, y'all. And so my hair, I'm going to my trip with my hair like this. It was actually wrapped, but no, it's like half wrapped. And I do have a big pimple here, and I need to finish my nails. Well, I did do my nails. These are press-ons, and then for some reason, I don't know why it came off so quick, which is so weird, but they kind of break off. So when I get there, I'm just gonna fix up all of that. So we gotta do like a whole shebang, get ready for a trip. When I reach my not for my trip, just, you know, get myself together when I reach my destination. Running late right now. It's traffic, it's a Friday, like it's crazy on the road. But I'll see you guys when I reach my destination, and then you guys will see where I'm going. But you know, it's just like a weekend quick trip, fun times and all of that. So I'll see you guys when I get back on the road. Okay, so y'all, just an update. I am stuck. I am waiting for the repair people to come, the tire repair people. So yeah, hint, I am on the toll road. I am on the highway heading to Ocherius. That is my destination, Ocherius. Yeah, so you guys finally know where I'm heading to. So we're gonna stay in Ochi for the weekend with family and friends. And yeah, I'm actually stuck on the highway. I've been here for going on to almost 2 hours waiting on the mobile repair people to come to change up my tires. And it's a long story. I don't even want to get into it because I'm like super disappointed in myself, and it's my fault, of course, my fault. So yeah, so I'm just here just waiting. It's 6:06 at the moment, and I was supposed to reach an Airbnb from 5:30 something. So yeah, I'm moving to like, yeah, I'm so behind, but I'm here. Help is on its way, so that's the main thing, and I'm just gonna chill and just wait until the people come. And yeah, but definitely, yeah, I should do better. I should have done better, but anyways, I am here, and yeah, I will link you guys and give you guys an update when the mobile people come, hopefully ASAP and all of that. Yeah. Okay. Huh? so we just got to the Airbnb around 7:30, and we're staying at the, oh, I can't tell you guys it because this video may be posted way before I leave. But yeah, this is the Airbnb. I'm gonna show you guys a quick little tour tonight, and then tomorrow I'll show you guys the full thing.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Sipping wine in a row. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, pool pump, just say. Yeah. We should be dancing